Hi friends. Welcome to educatwork. In this video we learn about comments, escape sequence characters and input function. Firstly, let's solve the previous question. Question is this. We have to solve this, 2 plus 9 plus 75 4 times 5/5/2. If you write it on idle, it will print result, that is 6.6. As we see, this is in float number. I tell you in previous video, Python automatically converts integer into float, if the result comes in float. Now let's begin with today's video. Firstly, we start with comment in Python. Comments are descriptions that help programmers better understand the intent and functionality of the program. It is used to prevent execution when testing code. They are completely ignored by the Python interpreter. Now, you may ask why we need comments in Python. Let's say you making a project on some topics. Now initially you know all think what will happen in that code, but after a month or two, if you open that code you will not remember, only the God knows your code. So that we use comments to write which function or line do what in programming, so that, if you open that project in future you easily understand. And also if you're doing project in group online, then also you use comment. So that the next team member can understand what you have changed in program. For writing comment in Python we use hash symbol. Like example, let's write the code for adding to number. Now open new file and then make variable, let's say a equals 7, b equals 9, c equals a plus b hash adding two numbers. Print C. Let's save the file. Name file as file1 and then save it. And now run the file using Run tab on menu or by pressing F5 key. We see only the addition result because, as I tell earlier, comment part is ignored by Python interpreter. It only for the programmer. I hope you all understand the comments. Now move further to escape sequence characters. An escape sequence is a special character used in the form of backslash, followed by a character that is required. Some mostly used escape sequence are \d, this represents a tab. \n, this represents a new line. This represents a single quote. This represents a backslash. \b, this represents a backspace. Let's see the example of each one by one. Let's go with tab. We used \d character to get space between the words. Let's create variable. String equals Python \programmer. And print string. You say it will print the space between Python and programmer. Now second, new line. We used a \n new line character. A new line character is used to write the words in a new separate line. Just change with \n. String equals Python \n programmer. And print string. It will print the Python one line and programmer another. Now third one, that is single quote. We can see how to use single quote strings in Python. Now let's change value to string equals that is my bag. Now, print string. Now you see result. Now fourth \. The \/ is an escape sequence. \/ is used to print a single \. String equals Python \programmer. and then print string. The output is like this Python \programmer. Now last one backspace. We used \b to remove the space between the words in Python. Just change / to \b, string equals Python \b programmer. Now, print string. The output is Python programmer. There are other escape sequence, you can Google it. Now input function. Using input function we take input from the user. Like this, write a equals input and message which you want to show to user, enter string. It print enter string on console so that user can understand what to enter. If we check the type, it is str, means string type. If you want to take integer value you have to write like this, x equals int input enter number. Now the type of x is integer. We check using type variable. That's all from today's video. I hope you all understand the concepts. If you have any doubt just ask in comments. Now here's today's questions. Q. Write a program that takes the x and y values from users and do operation like add, subtract, multiply and divide, using x and y and use comments and escape sequence. Comment you answers. You will get the solution of this in next video. So friends, if you enjoy this video please like and share as much as you can, and subscribe our channel. Join our Telegram channel for latest updates. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.